A civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties or areas: Baca, Los Animas, Colorado; Union, Harding, New Mexico; Cimarron, Texas, Oklahoma; Dallam, Hartley, Moore, Sherman, Texas. At 1:28 p.m. on October 7, 2022, effective until 9:28 p.m. 5-alarm fire ongoing at Sagebrush Springs facility in Dallam County, Texas. Stay clear of the area. A chemical fire at the Sagebrush Springs Biological Research Facility in Dallam County, Texas may pose significant health effects. For your safety, immediately discontinue use of air conditioning or heating units. Close off all doors, windows, and vents. Do not travel outside unless necessary. If you experience nausea, dizziness, eye irritation, airway irritation, or difficulty breathing, please seek medical attention immediately by calling 911 or contacting the Poison Control Hotline at 1-800-222-1222. Remain tuned to local media for further information.